In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo when scrolling down in Shopify using the Horizon theme. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, look for the Online Store option and click it. This will open your themes page where you'll see your current live theme at the top. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Horizon theme because it makes changing the logo on scroll simple and reliable. If you're already using Horizon, you're good to go and can move on. If not, scroll down the themes page until you see the Explore More Themes section, then click the Visit Theme Store button. In the theme store, search for Horizon, add it to your store, and then publish it as your current theme. Once Horizon is your active theme, go back up to the top of the themes page and click Edit Theme on your current theme. This will open the online store editor. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Find the header section and double-click it. That opens all the editing options for your header. Stay on that left panel and scroll down until you find the Appearance area. Under Appearance, look for Sticky Header and click on it. Open the drop-down next to Sticky Header and choose Always. This makes sure your header stays visible at the top of the page while visitors scroll. Still on the header settings, in the left panel, scroll down again until you see the Home Page settings. Here, toggle on the option for Transparent Background. This lets your header sit over your hero image or background without a solid color. Just below that, find the Color Scheme option and set it to Inverse. This is important because it tells the theme to use a different logo and color set when the header is transparent versus when it's sticky. Now we'll choose the logos that will switch as you scroll. Look on the left for theme settings. It's the gear icon just below the sections icon and click it. Inside theme settings, click on logo and favicon, which is usually at the top. Here you'll see fields to upload 3 images, a default logo, an inverse logo, and a favicon. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the default and inverse logos. For the default logo, click Select. A pop-up will open where you can either choose an image that's already in your Shopify files or click Add Files to upload a logo from your computer. This default logo is what appears on the sticky header once a visitor starts scrolling. It usually looks best if this logo has darker text or a darker icon, so it stands out against a light background. Next, for the inverse logo, click Select again. Just like before, you can choose an existing file or upload a new one. This inverse logo is what appears when the visitor is at the very top of the page and the header background is transparent. A white or light colored version of your logo works well here, so it's easy to see over darker hero images or backgrounds. Once both logos are set, look at the live preview on the right side of the editor. Scroll from the top of the page downwards and watch how the logo changes. At the top, with the transparent header, you should see your light or inverse logo. As you scroll and the header becomes sticky with a solid background, it should switch to your darker default logo. If everything looks good and the transition feels smooth and professional, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors on your store will see the new scrolling logo behavior.